Since then, we've been holding in the low to mid 30s, so that is a good thing. Now, I want to talk about what this storm did bring here to Western Oregon in terms of snow and rain. So officially, we picked up 8.7 inches of snow out at the Eugene Airport with this series of 3 storms. The water equivalent of that is 2.04 inches, and the last time we saw that much rain or snow was 130 days ago, back in September, when we had a big rainstorm move through. So even if it were just plain old rain, it would have been a big deal. The last time we saw that much snow was back in February of 1990 when we picked up 8.8 inches, so comparable event there. But the most snow that Eugene has ever seen, nothing like this, and I hope we never see it again. If you were here in '69, you know what I'm talking about. That January, we got 47.1 inches of snow, also with a series of storms moving through. So I suppose it could be worse, but this is definitely a historic storm, something that we have not seen in over 2 decades. High temperatures finally starting to recover yesterday, got to 35 degrees in Eugene and 37 in Corvallis. Roseburg pretty much completely escaped this storm. You got the rain, but definitely not the freezing temperatures, and that was the case yesterday. You were in the 60s. Head out to the coast, mid 50s for you, and even starting to recover in Central Oregon, where highs did get back into the upper 30s. Portland is about a day behind us, so they were a day behind in getting the snow, a day behind in getting the freezing rain, and they're a day behind in warming up. 33 degrees was the high temperature there yesterday. They're at 32 right now with a little bit of freezing, light rain moving through. Temperatures a degree or 2 warmer as you head south, still in the 40s, in Roseburg mid 40s as you head out to the coast this morning. So this is the next front to move through. It is bringing some light rain showers, which is very light, freezing rain in the Portland area this morning. But as soon as you head south into Salem and all the way south to Eugene, that is going to be just plain old rain later this afternoon. This morning, the roads are still dry, of course, with the exception of the leftover snow and ice out there. We are seeing some dense fog as well, so that's the main concern this morning here in the southern Willamette Valley. Now, the jet stream is shooting right here into Western Oregon, and that means that any storms that do develop out in the Pacific, they're headed our direction. Good news is, though, they're not going to be cold because they're not moving in from the north, they're moving in from the west. So we've got that little cold front here today, and then we've got this bigger storm that's going to move in Tuesday and Wednesday, and that's going to bring in some heavy rain, some strong winds, but will keep our temperatures warm as well. Next 24 hours, you see those showers picking up in the next couple hours. They'll continue all the way through this evening's commute. We will dry out overnight into Tuesday morning, but then again, that next big storm gets here Tuesday afternoon. Another round of heavy rain, another round of heavy snow as you head across the Cascade Passes. So out of the coast today, you'll get to about 49 degrees in Newport, 54 there in Coos Bay. Again, continue to stay mild. That bigger storm hits tomorrow. The Umpqua Basin, not as warm as yesterday, but still on the warm side. Scattered showers after that fog this morning. The Cascades also warming up, mid 30s for high temperatures there. About an inch of snow possible with this storm today. Central Oregon getting back into the upper 30s, if not mid 40s as you head further south. Freezing fog followed by showers later on tonight. And the valley continuing to warm up, upper 30s here for the areas that got snow and ice this weekend. Head south, mid 40s near Cottage Grove. And then again, as we head into this next week, it continues to stay extremely soggy, especially along the coast. Highs will hold in the mid 50s. The Umpqua Basin mid to upper 50s for you, but also chances for rain every day this week. The Cascades will see snow above 5, even 6,000 feet. So only those higher elevations at the pass. It'll be in the mid to upper 30s. And for the valley, continue to warm up with each day. 50s by Wednesday, but at least overnight, not below freezing for the rest of the week.